Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to teach you something like, very easy, but you can use this in your vlogs. So it's like, you change your shoes or you wear your shoes, with like a little trick that, you just, do this. Yeah, so this is pretty easy. You have to record this and this one shot. And all you have to do is then go to the not photo editor, because it's a video. Go to a video editor that can be iMovie, CuteCut, KineMaster, or anything that we only need the trimming feature or cropping feature. I mean, like, we want these clips to be together. That's all we have to do. So this is pretty easy, and if you guys want me to do videos like this, then make sure to comment and like this video so I can know that you people like this. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, then make sure to follow, which is Aftab_Afridi. And do you have anything else? And yeah guys, I want to talk about the subscribers. My subscribers are getting less and sometimes a little bit more, but the speed is really slow, and I'm really unhappy about that. I used to get like 400 subscribers in 1 month, previously, and now I get like 198 or 200. So I'm working a little slow. So I'm asking you guys if there is any problem with me, if you want me to do another thing, you want me to change my topic or anything else. But yeah, I want your opinion, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.